Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me today to explore the exciting and pressing topic of cleaning agent. As we gather here today, we stand to use many different cleaning agents such as soap. But do you know how the soap produce and make your clothes clean from dirt? So today I will tell you more about soap and process how soap cleans your clothes and dirt. Soap Soap are sodium or potassium fatty acid salt. Soap are produced from the neutralization reaction between fatty acid and alkalis. Fatty acids are long-chain carboxylic acid. Sources of fatty acid can be obtained from natural ester in animal fat or vegetable oil. The general formula for soap is RCOONA positive or RCOOK positive. R is an alkyl group containing at least 8 carbon atoms. However, this alkyl group usually contains 12 to 20 carbon atoms. R consists of saturated or unsaturated hydrocarbons. The example of soap is sodium laurate. Sodium laurate is a fatty acid from lauric acid, and the source of oil is that be used on sodium laurate is coconut oil. And another example of soap is sodium palmitate. The sodium palmitate use a fatty acid that the name is palmitic acid, and the source of oil that be using and the sodium palmitate is palm oil. Preparation of soap. Soap can be prepared from natural sources through hydrolysis of oil or fat in sodium hydroxide NaOH or potassium hydroxide KOH solution. This reaction is called saponification, which is the process of hydrolysis of oil or fat by alkalis. Oil or fat react with concentrated alkalis to produce glycerol and fatty acid salt, which is soap. Oils and fat are natural ester known as triglycerides. The general equation of saponification reaction is oil or fat plus concentrated alkali, and it becomes soap plus glycerol. The cleansing action of soap is soap acts as emulsifying agents because soap molecules are soluble in oil or grease and water. When soap is dissolved in water, soap molecules dissolve to form sodium ion Na positive or potassium ion K positive, soap and ion. The example of equation for ionization for soap and ion is soap, water, and it becomes soap and ion plus sodium ion. The structural formula for soap and ion is hydrophobic that be as a tail and the hydrophilic as a head, just like this. The structure of soap and ion consists of two parts, namely hydrophilic part that is soluble in water and the hydrophobic part that is soluble in oil or grease. That means hydrophilic likes water, but it has oil. The hydrophobic that at the tail likes oil but hate water. These properties make soap effective cleaning agents. I will explain step by step how the soap clean dirt. First, The adding soap into water will reduce the surface tension of water. This increases the water ability to wet the surface of the cloth. Sorry. And the step 2 is salt will ionize in water to produce free moving soap and ions. Step 3, the hydrophilic parts of salt and ion dissolve in water, the hydrophobic part dissolve in grease. As I said earlier, hydrophilic love water but doesn't love oil or grease. The hydrophobic will go to grease but not go to water because he had it. The step 4 is the movement of water during scrubbing and agitation causes grease to pull away from the surface of the cloth. Step 5, the hydrophilic parts of soap and iron surround the grease. Grease float to the surface of the water. Step 6, grease will break into small droplets. The small droplets will not reattach to the surface of the cloth due to the repulsion of negative charge of the hydrophilic parts on the surface of the grease. The droplets are suspended in water, forming an emulsion. Rinsing with water causes the surface of the cloth to become clean because the grease droplets are left in the water. Grease broken into droplets of emulsion. Hydrophilic will go to the water and the hydrophobic will go to the grease oil. Water containing calcium ion Ca2 positive and magnesium ion and magnesium 2 positive is called hard water. Salt and iron combine with the cations to form insoluble salt called scum. The formation of scum causes wastage of soap because more soap will be needed for the cleansing action. The soap will be so effectively, but if the aspect from the effectiveness in hard water, it will be less effective to clean it. But for the formation of scum, form scum in hard water, so the dirt will clean easily. For the aspect of effectiveness in acidic water will not effective due to the formation in insoluble organic acid. Thank you very much for listening my presentation. Bye.